Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add a signature to your video in Gmail. To your email in Gmail. Oh my god. So what you want to do is be in a Gmail account, then click on the settings, go to settings, and then you will have general here, and click here on signature. You will have it right down here. Click here, and there are a few options. The first option you can do is just write Marcus Stone and save it. Or you can play around it, like make it like this, make it huge. Or the better way, what I think is, you can find the good program for creating signature, but what I recommend is just go to Paint. Look at that, I will show you. Create a small picture, and now brushes, let's say this one, and let's make it large, and you can create your own signature like this. It's really easy. I'm going to save as desktop 1. I'm going to delete this thing, and look at that, I will upload. You need to it's not working anymore. So what you want to do is go to Imgur, upload your signature here. Okay, copy. No, let's try to find it. Why it's not showing? Fascinating. Oh, here. You needed PNG after that. So what you want to do is just open another link, and now okay, and you see it here. Now I would just go to inbox. No, I don't want to discard them. Save changes. Now to inbox, and you can see it right here. The signature is there. So this is how we can add a signature. I had a bit of problem, but you get an idea how to do it. We solved it together. So this is how we do it. Thank you everybody very much for watching. Goodbye.